Reciprocal functions are functions that are related to each other through the reciprocal operation, which involves taking the multiplicative inverse of a number. It is denoted by fx is equal to 1 over x, where x cannot equal to 0. Now, note that this is not the same as the inverse function. Reciprocal functions involve taking the reciprocal of the function's outputs, while inverse functions are functions that undo the actions of another function, allowing you to find the original input given the output. Now, the domain of a reciprocal function is x is an element of all real numbers, but x cannot equal to 0. And the range is y is an element of all real numbers, but y cannot equal to 0. The key features of reciprocal functions in graphs are that they have no y-intercept, no roots, and have two asymptotes.
Please like and subscribe, please.